In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to animate in Canva, step by step, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, YouTube intros, or marketing videos. Canva makes animation incredibly simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to animate text, photos, graphics, and even entire pages like a pro. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and load the design you want to animate. This can be a presentation, Instagram post, video project, or any custom-sized canvas. Once your design is open, the first step is to select what you want to animate. You can click on a text box, an image, a graphic element, or even select the entire page if you want everything to move together. When you click on an element, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen. Next, look for the Animate button in the top toolbar and click on it. This opens the animation panel. On the left-hand side, you'll now see different animation styles available depending on what you selected. If you selected text, you'll see text-specific animations. If you selected an image or graphic, you'll see element animations. And if nothing is selected, Canva will show you page animations instead. Now it's time to choose an animation style. Canva gives you several common effects that are very beginner-friendly. For example, you can use Fade for a smooth and subtle appearance. Pop makes elements quickly scale into view, which is great for attention-grabbing designs. Wipe creates a sliding reveal effect. Rise moves elements upward into place. Tumble adds a rotating motion as the element enters. Pan creates a smooth movement across the screen. Burst gives a dynamic expanding effect. And if you're working with text, you can use the typewriter animation, which reveals letters one by one like someone is typing. As you hover over each animation, Canva previews it automatically, so you can see how it looks before applying it. Once you click on an animation style, it will immediately apply to your selected element. But we're not done yet. To make your animation look polished and professional, you'll want to adjust the duration and timing. At the top of the screen, click on the Duration option. This allows you to control how long the page stays on screen. If you're working on a video project, open the timeline at the bottom of the editor. Here, you can drag elements to control exactly when animations start and end. This is especially useful if you want text to appear after an image or create a sequence where elements enter one after another. If you want to animate the entire page instead of individual elements, click on an empty area of your design so nothing is selected. Then click Animate again. This time, you'll see page-wide animation options. One popular option is Match and Move, which automatically creates smooth transitions between similar elements across pages. This works great for presentations and storytelling videos because it makes your design feel fluid and connected. Take a moment to preview your animation by clicking the play button at the top right. Always preview before exporting so you can adjust timing, change styles, or remove animations that feel too fast or distracting. Clean, subtle movement usually looks more professional than overusing effects. Finally, once you're happy with everything, it's time to export your animated design. Click Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Make sure you select MP4 video as your file type. This is very important because formats like PNG or JPEG will not keep your animations. After selecting MP4, click Download, and Canva will export your animated video with all effects included. And that's it. That's exactly how to animate in Canva step by step. You can animate text, images, graphics, or entire pages. Adjust timing with the duration controls and timeline, and export everything as an MP4 to keep your animations intact. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Canva guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.